Um, Sorry, can you see my screen?
Yes. So, first of all, stop the recording 1 minute, please. Just for me, please. Let's
Sorry,
start.
where's the page object?
Somebody please tell her page object. Does everyone know page object?
Yeah, your cursor is already there.
Page object is
Yeah,
Oh,
on
right. Sorry.
yeah, the
My brain off
arrow.
now.
That's fine.
Is this it? Yeah, double click.
Yes, please.
It doesn't seem to be opening now. Hold on.
Do you
I
do
don't
your
think
page?
you have it. I don't think you did it, Kaji.
Okay, so,
Can you
sorry.
stop? Can you stop the recording for me, please?
Sorry, I just eliminated the
Interruption. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna start by finding our elements. We've created our page objects up to this stage. We've done the constructor. So KG, for you, once you do your public class landing page objects, you will write your public iWeb driver. And then you from there, where you have line 14, you do CTOR. No, you bring your cursor down and do CTOR, and then you should get to line 18 from there by doing that.
Okay.
So when you get to line 18, then you just copy what is on the board now, or what is on the screen rather. So for us to find our elements, which is the private by logo equals by experts. So now we'll go to the website, which is ReadTube. So if Simone, if you can open your browser for me and type ReadTube.
Okay.
Read did Restful put this the thing in what is it called? The
What's that?
URL.
Do I need to
Yeah.
share my whole screen?
Yes, please.
Are you recording it?
Rexford, do you have it, please?
What do you want, Rita?
The URL. Maybe just put it on the chat for them, please.
Yeah, one sec. Let me
That's
get...
fine. For everybody that is on this that don't have any error, please follow suit. Please. You are not sharing your browser. We need to do it together
I
on
was
your
just
browser.
gonna, okay. I need to stop sharing and then share again.
That's fine. So Rexford have put the URL on the chat. You can just copy that or click on it if it's possible. You can copy it and paste it on your browser. Yes. Okay. So what are we inspecting? Rexford, is it the logo? Why are we inspecting
We have to, yeah, we said when we click on the logo, so we have to inspect the logo. Or the home button. I think it's the logo. Can you guys go back to...
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
you said
It's the
logo,
logo.
that it
It's
should
the
take us
logo.
to the landing page.
But does the logo take you to the landing page?
It does.
Yeah, it does. It takes you to...
Click on it, let's see.
It takes us to the home page.
Did it work? I didn't notice any changes.
Yeah, it took us straight back to the home page.
But this was where we were before, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, that's...
Okay. As long as you feel it's working, because I didn't notice any changes. Okay. So if you can right click on the logo. Hold on. Are we inspecting the ReadTube or the logo itself, the cap and the button, Rexford?
Rita, you created this logo. Did you forget?
That's
It's
not
your
what we are
own
looking for. Who
handwork.
created the logo is not who we are looking for.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's the same thing, and it's the logo. So
Yeah, I think that
yeah.
will work. Okay. Anyway, they are together. Yes. Okay. Yeah, they are together. Okay. Okay. Now inspect, please.
Oh,
Right click and go down to inspect. Yeah. Yes. Now click on it. I can't see the DOM. Is it coming up?
can you see it now?
Yeah. Is it network? It's slow. Okay.
No, I realized that when I'm using Visual Studio and Zoom, it goes really slow. My memory is not that great.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so at the right top, sorry, left, at the top, that's that thing that look like a box. Yeah, keep going. Yes, click on that. Just click on it. It helps to highlight. Let me see if it's gonna work. Should work. Did you click on it? Simon.
I think so, but I'm trying to move my
Okay.
mouse out of the way.
Yeah, yeah. I think it seems to be working. Okay, now, move your cursor. Okay,
Where should I move it to?
move it to the logo bit. Let's see if it will pick it up now. To where the logo is. Move your cursor to where the logo itself is. Okay. So now come back to
Yeah.
that highlighted place on the DOM. No, so you have to move gradually because if not, you miss it again. Go back. Or did anyone notice it? Because
Oh,
okay.
here. So image SRC.
Think
Yes,
you have to
yes.
click on it.
Yes.
So
Yeah, so gradually come back to that place. It's not working.
I think she has to click on it so it won't
You
move.
click on the logo, then it will stay highlighted.
Okay.
Then you go there. Yeah.
So do I just highlight the HTTP?
No. So right click on where you are there. Right click. Okay. So we are going to look for, there are other methods like using what is it called? Selenium Hub. But we're just gonna start with this one first manually before we start using Selenium Hub. When you guys have mastered how to write the automation, then we'll introduce that. That will easily help you to look to find your element. So where it says copy, yeah. So you see, so he has given you all the names of the elements. So it says copy JS part, copy styles, copy S part, copy. I can't see
Full
what's it?
XPath.
Okay, yeah, that's the selector CSS. So yeah, so let's try using the S part. So bring your cursor to the S part. Yeah, click on that. Now do Control F. Is it Control? What is it? And Rexford, my brain is gone. It's Control F, isn't it?
Yes, Rita.
Okay, sorry, I'm really tired. Control F. Now paste it there. So he has given us 1 of 1. So whenever you copy an element, you have to also inspect it by doing Control F by pasting it there to see if it will give you 1 of 1. Now, if it give you 1 of 2, don't use it or more. It has to be 1 of 1. And if it's also 1 of 0 or 0 sometimes, as the case may be, you can't use it either. So it has to be 1 of 1. So we have that copied. Let's go to our Visual Studio. So where you have your string after the X part, line 20. So in between the yes, paste it there for me. Just do Control. Okay. So we've done that. I want to believe everyone has also done that. Now go back to the board for me, please.
What board? Sorry.
No, sorry, not board. your browser. Yeah. So you can close this. Just X the DOM. Yeah, we're done with that for now. So put your cursor on the readtube.com.
Yeah.
Yeah, now copy, Ctrl+C. Now let's go and put it on where we have the. So put that on where line 20. Yes. Okay. Now can you save? Have you saved? You
I'll
haven't.
save. Sorry.
Yes. That's fine. So now we'll move quickly to the step definition.
Rita,
Mm-hmm.
before we move to the step definition, can the guys on the call, like, can you put one in the chat if you understood what Rita just told you guys or what Simone just did? If you guys really understand what just happened, can you put one in the chat? Okay, so I think, Rita, we have a few people who put 0. So would you want us to, I know you don't want us to interrupt the workshop, but would you want us to just give an overview of what she just did so that they can have an understanding?
Yeah, you can give an overview, please, to maybe they'll understand it from your perspective. So I'll stay mute for few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. Just go ahead, please.
No, I mean, not asking maybe they'll understand from my perspective. I mean, obviously this is the way to do it, but because it's also new to the guys.
Yeah. I get what you are saying. Yeah, if you you want to do the walkthrough again for them.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
please. Yeah.
So guys, now what we want to achieve here is that it's just simple, okay? We want to navigate to the website, which is ReadTube website. And when we go on the website, you want to interact with the element, or we want to perform certain activities on the website, okay? This time around, we are not using our computer. We are not using the UI that we have to click on, the menu we have on there. Okay, we are using automation. We are using C# Selenium to do it. All right. And in order to do this, in order for your code or C# Selenium to interact with the website, it needs to interact through elements. Okay. So what Simone just, Simone, if you want to go back to the UI, if you want to go back to the interface, ReadTube website. Right. So each of these menu you see on here has like an element behind it. Okay. So these elements are what defined their code, their piece of code that define all the menu you see here. Okay. And in order to talk to this, like in the background or automation or whatever, you need these elements. So if you right click on ReadTube icon, and if you're able to open the developer console, yeah, inspect. Yeah, so this pop-up you see here is called the developer console. As we all know, developer console is what, like, we know developer is someone who develops a website. So with this button you have here, which is the ReadTube icon, this element is what, when you click on it, it would navigate to this page. And in order for you to do that, you need this element here. Okay, so this element is what will help you to interact with the website. It's as simple as that. So everything you want to click on here, anything you want to do on here, you need an element. And with this element, we have different type of elements. Okay, we have expert, we have so Simone, try to right click on the highlighted. Yeah, try to right click on it. So if you go to copy, yeah, so you can see you have expert, you have the full expert, you have the GS part, you have the CXS selector, which is the copy selector. You have different type of, elements you can select. And all these elements have got like advantages and disadvantages. They've got the ones that are good, the ones that you can use most often and all of that. And there are times you can even create your own XPath or your own selector, your own element. That's sort of like another kind of level and all of that. But in the meantime, for you to be able to communicate with the website, you need this element. And that is why you've copied this into your page object to be able to access this website and to be able to access the menu on the website. I hope it's clear. For those who didn't understand earlier, I hope this is a little bit clear, but as time goes on, you understand with practice, you understand it more. Yeah, so Rita, you can continue.
Thank you. So now we've completed our page object. Let's go to the step definition, please. Step definition. Your step definition. So,
Oh, at
step
the top here.
yes. Okay, can you delete your exceptions, please? Line 12 and 18.
So what does inceptions mean?
Can you remove, hold on, go back. Yeah, delete that bit. What does what mean?
You say they're called inceptions.
So it's written there. That was what I said you should delete. It said do Ctrl Z and read it again. Maybe it will come up. No, it's fine. So it comes by default. So when I say delete, because this is there by default, it's only telling you how to kind of write your method. It's just
Oh, okay.
like a guide. Yeah. So if you click on the calculator, you should have the calculator, right? So
No, we
click on,
deleted it before.
oh, you deleted it already. Yeah. So it's
Yeah.
just a guide of so then we have the normal exceptions, which is when your code is failing. So you can also do a research on that. Still, what's the full meaning now? I've forgotten. Still exception something and all that. Yeah. Okay. So we have to call us page object into our step definition. Yeah. And if you go back quickly to the page object and look at the name of the page object, which is
Landing page object.
yeah. So copy it for me, the landing page object. Just to Ctrl C. So after line 8, put your cursor on line 8 and press enter, please. Another enter. Now paste, go back on line 9 and paste it there. Give me a minute. Okay, sorry, I was just checking on something. Okay, now space, then you type lowercase landing. That's you start, yeah. Page objects. Come in, let me check my brain.
Yep.
Okay, that's right.
Which one do I select?
Just the first one, or just click on tab. No, sorry, the second one, click on tab.
Equals, okay.
Yeah, click on tab. Yeah, delete
No,
that.
no. Delete that.
Yeah. No, not the whole
Space.
thing. Yeah.
Space.
Paste.
Space. equals space new, isn't it, Rachel?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
And then put the one you copy, then space, then put the one you copied earlier and paste it there. Now go and use your IntelliSense. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, but the given is throwing error. Why is that throwing error?
She
Yeah.
has to end it. So open and close a bracket,
Yes,
and after the bracket, put a semicolon.
the semicolon. Yeah. Okay. So we don't call our methods here. If you go to Rexford we explain, I'll just quickly drive. Maybe I'm not good at explaining. So if you go to line 15,
Mhm.
so move what is it called? What's the thing you call? The space bar, move it forward. Use your space bar. Keep coming, one more. No. One more. Yeah. Now do landing page, it should give you, it's a small letter. See, you see the second one. The second, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, pick it from there. Just press enter.
The first one.
Yes. Dot. Navigate to website. So your navigate should be uppercase. Yeah. And then put your bracket. So it's still throwing red. What do you think needs to be there?
The semicolon.
Well done. So excuse me. So we'll come down to the next one.
Which is here.
21, please. Yeah. Space bar, space. Yeah. Let it align. Let it align with the first one. Move it forward a bit. Yeah. Okay. So when you type land, before you finish typing, it will give you the option. So pick it up. Dots. So it should no. We are not doing navigate. We've already done that. So why are we, no, it's fine. So what are we trying to do here? Click on RootTube logo. Yeah? But is that what we have on our step definition? So scroll down, or you type C. Let's see if it will give you the option. C. Then scroll, so logo, yeah. Tap. Yeah. So save. Now clean and build. Let's run it. Hopefully it will pass. Clean first. I think that's done. Clean started, but it hasn't ended. Just build. Something. Is it your network?
Maybe.
I think it's still going. I can see it moving down the clean started. I hope your network will not affect the execution.
I hope not.
Now build, please. Yeah. Network is really. It's still showing down there that it's going, so we'll just wait for it. Let's be patient.
Okay, so in the meantime, let's just explain what we did here. So basically, on line 10, which Rita asked Simon to write landing page, object, landing page, whatever, it's just we creating an instance of the landing page class
Okay.
method.
Close it. Sorry, Wexford. Do you want me to run it before you do that?
Oh,
Is it
okay,
okay?
yes, you can, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so go to your test explorer.
Oh,
Your test
Uh,
explorer.
re-
On your
then-
left. On your
oh
left.
yeah.
So where it says test, you see the arrow there. Click on that arrow to open up the. Click on it, please. Yeah, click on the next one, please. So put your cursor on the last one. On the last one. And then right click on it, please. So run.
It might take ages.
It's fine. If we have anybody else that have completed, we can use that. We'll see.
So at this point, it's meant to open up my Explorer, right?
Yeah,
Or-
yeah, because your network is very bad now. We might have to go on break and come back.
yeah, still doing something.
Even open. Okay. Open the, yeah, okay, that's fine. Open the, right click on the last part, the last one. Let's see what it's saying there. So go to open test log. We'll just quickly look at it, then Rexford will explain. Sometimes network do affect your code. If you close the output for me, please. Okay, so we said element not interactable to find the logo. I don't know who chose logo for this one. Okay, so if you can close because when I'm doing an example like this, you don't want to use something too complex because yeah, but yeah, that's fine. So close it, please, and let Rexford do the explaining, then we'll come back to that. Rexford, over to you.
Let's proceed. When we finish it, then we explain. Let's fix the issue.
Okay. Okay, so let's go back to the browser, please. Maybe we'll use CSS. Because with this logo, we might end up customizing, and that's not what we wanted to do for the first class, because that's going to confuse
There's
everyone.
just a possibility that because her browser is
It's
taking
slow, yeah.
So
Okay.
should we try someone else then? If
Has
there's
anyone-
someone that
Is
I
that
can
sorry?
share.
Okay, please do. Simon, stop sharing, please. Thank you.
I'm trying to figure out where my Zoom's gone. I don't know.
You stopped sharing already.
But I got lost in the part where
Did you complete the page object?
I haven't done the.
Who is speaking, please?
This is Temitope speaking.
Temitope, what happened?
I got lost when we moved to the.
Did you complete? Okay, go to your page object. Let me see, please.
I'm trying to move the. Okay. Yeah, I did the page object. I got lost at it.
Step definition.
Next step, yeah.
Okay, so that's no problem. Open your step definition, please. If you can delete the calculator for me, please. Your calculator steps for your step definition. No. On your right, where you have your solution. Right. Your right hand side. Yes. Come down. Come
Okay.
down to no. Come down to your features there.
Okay,
Yeah,
the
that one.
calculator definition.
Yeah. Let's right click and delete it. Yeah. Okay. So now click on your step definition there. Yes. Okay, so where you got lost was importing our page object into our step definition, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you put your cursor on line 8 for me, please. First of all, if you want to go and copy, quickly go back to your page object. Let's just copy it from there. I mean, we can always type it, but if you go back to your page object quickly for me, please. Page object. Yes. Okay, so copy the landing page. Landing page. Yes, it's landing page. Yeah. Now go and paste it. Yeah. Space. Then type small letter L and just follow suit was there. Yes. No, delete that one. Yes. Now space equal new, sorry, equals new.
Space between the equal and new.
Yes, please. Now space again and then paste what you have there.
Landing
Paste what you
page.
copied earlier. Yeah. Now just do the open and close bracket in your semicolon. Yeah. Okay. So come now to line 14, please, and just call your method there. So if you start with L, it's gonna come up. So guys, what we are using here is the middle one, the smaller letter. Yeah. So you see it has come up, then dot navigate uppercase. Type it.
Dot navigate.
Yeah. So it has good, yes. Now close it. No. It's throwing red. One more red.
Okay.
You see, very easy. So do the same for the next one, please.
15 or 16.
Line 21,
21,
please.
alright,
So you type the landing page, you will come up, pick it up from there, dot, click. No. Delete that, please. If you type C, then it will give you the option C. Yeah, click on that. And then it's throwing red. What do you do? Yeah, another red. That's it. Now save and build, please. Let's run it. Hopefully it will work.
Clean first.
Yes, please.
Build solution.
Yes, please. Is it completed?
Not yet.
Still going. It's still going.
It's completed.
Okay, if you can close the output for me, please. Thank you. Close it. Okay, now let's do what yeah. No, down. Yes, open it up. Open. Why is yours more than that? What's that? Landing object.
Oh, calculator features is the
You can delete that one, please. It's fine, don't worry. Yeah, can you right click on it for me now, please? And run it. Mm-hmm. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
it's not Simon's so if you open the landing page, obviously it's the logo. Click open the landing page, right click on it for me, please.
Okay. On the
Open test log. Open test log. Keep coming. Yeah.
okay.
Okay. We're not gonna start using debugging now. Move up for me, please. Yeah, so it's saying element not interactive. So your Chrome up to date though, Rexford.
I think so. I would, can I check?
Olat,
It's not
Olat is on the call. Sorry, Rexford, you said what?
Yeah, I was saying it's not it's just
Hello.
the element.
Yeah. Hold on,
Hi.
Temitope.
Yeah, hello, good evening, everyone. Yeah, the problem here is the Chrome is all right here. It's talking about the elements.
Mm.
So if the browser is not, that is the driver, it's not interacting with the elements. So the locator is not updated. That means you need to go and check. You have to go and check the elements to see. So maybe you can use something else, maybe like ID,
Mm.
you know, or link test, all those stuff. Just go back to the job and check.
Go away.
The browser, please. You have it open, right?
Yes.
Inspect the element, the logo for me again, please. Hold on, stop moving. What's going on?
I think you could have just instead of clicking the logo, why can't you just click on the
Homepage.
yes on the login or something like that
Yeah.
instead of
I don't know who chose logo.
so just do that. So you can only use that logo for transaction. So you can click another thing there, maybe like login page all these stuff there, so that you can click on the login icon. So I think that one is okay.
Oof. Oh, taking us back.
So it's all
So
right.
that logo is assertion.
Yeah, so you can use because if you pick that logo now, what is it gonna do? It will only refresh the page, and that's the end. You understand? So you can use that login. You can use that login button. Let's click on that login there, login icon, so that you can see it. So from there you can take it off. You know, sort of that. Right click on that. Yeah, you can inspect. Yeah, you can inspect this.
There's no feature for that yet. I have to go because you confuse them. I have to just go back and start.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, just go back to click on this, which is okay. You know, you can see that you can see the class here. And here, yeah, you can see the class user menu login. All this stuff. This one is okay.
Okay. Rexford, what do you think? Should we do that? Yes, Rexford.
Yeah, let's go for it. I mean, whatever will make it work, isn't it?
Yeah, because I was saying this logo that we chose.
It doesn't matter if we chose the logo or not. At the end of the day, we want to achieve something here. We want to click on something. So if it's clicking on the logo, it's absolutely fine. But yeah,
But
make any
I was
difference.
saying we might end up customizing the element for logo. And if we are doing customizing for them, it's too early.
But you can see for the logo, you can see check if there's an ID there or anything like that.
Check now. Let's check, Abby.
Yes, right click on that YouTube logo and see. Right click on it. Inspect it.
Is there anything there? It's only is it tube logo or YouTube logo? What do we use there? What can we use there?
Yeah, you can use the anchor reference. That is you can use that HRF, you know. And here there is a 3 ellipse after that title YouTube. Click on that. That is to expand it. No, down.
Which one?
Down. Come down a little bit. Come down. No. Click on that. No. Go back. Go back. Up. A little bit. One more. Yeah. Extend that. Expand that arrow. No. No, not that
Don't
one.
right click. No. No, come back to where we were. Now just click on the 3 ellipse.
No, not that one. Come down a little bit. A little bit. Where we have that, yeah.
That arrow. Go back, Temitope. That arrow.
Up one bit. Up one bit. Up.
Yeah,
Go
that
up
arrow. Click on that arrow.
Yes, that one. Just click on the
Yeah.
arrow. Yeah.
Open it up. Yeah. Yeah, it's still saying tube
Yeah,
logo.
you can write. Yeah. You can use this, or you can customize by using that class. That's the logo mobile retina. So if you still click on it.
I didn't
That
want
one is
us
okay.
to customize before.
So someone has to do it. For her. I don't know whether it's this. Someone just have to do it for them.
What's that? What happened, Mr. Ola? Sorry.
I say someone have to do it for them. So they don't know how to do that because it's not giving any idea or anything.
Yeah, direct him, or you want to take control to do it.
No. They need to do it. So you don't. So you just have to direct.
Yeah, direct him. Be able to do it.
Use Control F there.
I'm just gonna mute for a minute, please.
Okay, now let's use double backward slash.
Double backwards.
No, that's not slash. No, the other one.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, use put your hand on the Shift 8. That's to give you the star. Shift 8. Yeah. Then use open bracket. Not the other one, no. The square bracket.
Okay.
No, the other one. No. The other one. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. No. The previous one you use. No. Yeah. At. You know that at sign. Class. You have to go and copy. You have to put your cursor on that logo again and right click and inspect it again so that we need to copy something from there. Yeah, right click.
Then
Now
click on which one?
you see where we have that class. That class that where it says href http YouTube blah blah blah.
Yes.
That
Yes.
class there. Copy that class. No. Where we have that class. Yeah. Double click on it. Just double click on the class. Class is equal to logo mobile retina.
Okay.
Now copy everything there. Hold on. No, not like that, not like that. Double click from that logo. Control C. Or you can right click and copy it. Yeah.
Okay.
Copy. Now put it there. Put it there. Finish that class. Finish that class first. Class. Now put the class in front of that art. Is equal to sign. Yeah. Apostrophe. Just one, not two, one.
Okay.
Yeah. Then go to the end. Put the second one. Close it. Put the second one there. Then put that, close it with that bracket. Okay, now, so what is saying that it has given us 1 of 1, which means that is a real one that we want to copy, we want to use. So now, copy the whole thing there, highlight it and right click to copy.
I've copied it.
Right click, copy. Have you copied it?
Yes.
Can you paste it in the chat as well, please?
So now go back to your code. That's the C# code.
Okay. Go where? Simon, I'll paste it in the chat.
Thank you.
Go back to your code. That's your C#. Go back there. Go back to your page object.
Okay.
Now delete it from where you have that parameterization. Delete that one and paste this one there. Just go back and use backspace. Slowly. Backspace. Yeah, thank you. No, you haven't finished. You haven't finished.
I need.
No, you haven't finished because you haven't cleaned everything. You haven't cleaned anything. It still remain, Clean everything up till go on. It's okay now. Now paste. No, it's supposed to be 2. Now go and put that now paste it. Okay, good. Now what we use here now, we are using Expert as our locator. You know, we have different type of locators. We have CS selector, we have link test, we have ID, you know, but this one is okay. The one that are common that which people normally use is Expert and the CSS selector and ID. So now let's save and build. Let's try it now.
Okay. Oh, what do I do?
Go to save
Just save and build.
Save,
and then build.
Before should I bind and
Build
before
at the
running it, or
top.
just
No need to do any binding. Just save and build.
okay.
Build. Temi, can you paste that link in the chat, please?
Okay, let me I'll paste it now.
Okay.
Failed.
Almost there.
Right click on it and let's
Elements not interactive.
okay, let's use another one then. Go back to that page. Go back to your browser. Right click on the logo. Hold on, 1 second, 1 second. No, 1 second, hold on. Right click on it again.
Should I close this first and right click or just?
No, leave it.
Okay. Inspect.
Okay, hold on. Let me check. I want to get something. No, inspect. Right click on the where you have that the anchor AHREF HTTP. Right click on it and copy that.
This one.
No, the other one. Yeah, right click.
The one above.
The
This
one
one.
above. The one above. Go down. Yeah. Copy.
Expert.
No, copy selector.
Okay.
Yeah. Go back to your code. Page object. Now remove from there. Paste. Go back. Change that expert to CSS selector. No, leave that. No. You could have just leave that on. I want to check something. Just leave it till the end. Is that the end?
No, I need to paste it again.
Okay, paste it again.
Yeah, pasted it. That's
Okay,
the end.
go back. Now go back to your expert. Go back to the expert. Change it to CSS selector. Just type C. Yeah, that one. Okay. Save and build. Just build. No need to play.
The build is complete.
Now run it. Let's see.
Okay, so this is automation for you.
We need
These
to use
things
we need to use another one.
these things happen whereby your elements will not interact. Sometimes it can be due to network, sometimes the elements might also be dynamic. I mean, all these things is what you get to know sometimes. And that's why we do customize the code. So even if we don't use the one that is physically there, for you to be able to know how to customize, I mean, maybe by the time you get to advanced level, you also know how to do that. But yeah, so we'll just give this one more try because I want something easy that you guys will be able to
Oh,
replicate.
it worked for me.
Well, it passed for you.
Yeah, just now. I just did
Okay,
what
let's
Alok
see.
said.
So
Yeah.
there you see, that's what I said. So network do affect. It might run it again and it might pass. So share your screen. Let's just confirm that, just for us to know that sometimes
Okay.
so that's why if he goes now to raise a bug, if Simone was the test lead and she do it and it pass on her screen, she will, that's how she cancels it. So you guys can see.
So should
Yeah.
I run it again? Yeah.
If you want to, yeah, that's fine.
So
So
just green.
yeah. So that's the thing with automation. I mean, network do affect it sometimes. Okay, that's a good one anyway.
Mommy said it's right. You are going to eat.
Right, fast.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah. So before you ask a question, do you guys want Rexford to do the walkthrough again? For those of you that are not there, so that you pick up. But I've done it twice, so I expect everyone to, at least if you're having issues, it should be where we are changing the elements. And yeah, over to you, Rexford. Sorry, hold that. Who is that want to ask a question? Just hold that for a minute. Let's Rexford quickly do the walkthrough again, please. All right, thank you. Over to you, Rexford. Is Rexford there? Mm. Okay, while we wait for Rexford, who wanted to ask a question?
Temitope.
Okay, go on. Are you the one she? Okay, it's Simon. Okay, yeah,
Simon,
go on.
yeah. So, in cases like this where network might disrupt an automation,
Mm.
so what do we do in this case where, okay, mm, eh,
We
what do
can't
we
hear
do
you. Okay.
where maybe network disrupts the credibility or outcome of an automation?
So for a tester, some of the other things you need to bring along is
Mommy
good
said
laptop.
it's right.
iPhone, can you be muted, please?
Use Mama
For the
Lau.
sake of the recording, iPhone. I don't know who is using iPhone. Yeah, okay, thank you. So yeah, earlier Simone was the one sharing, and we thought her network was not good enough. That was why we asked someone else to share. So it doesn't matter. Run it again. You just have to keep trying. Now, what am I trying to say? If you've noticed, we've used three different process or three different experts, not process, experts. So we use the first one, three different locator. So we used the first one, experts, and the second one was a customized one. Thank God that didn't work. because then everybody would not know how to use that. The CSS selector is also another one that you can use. I mean, we have 8 locators. So we've tried the CSS selector and it worked. So that is what you find in most cases. And even as you can see, you might have thought the CSS selector would not have worked because it's too long. Sometimes it can go longer than that. Yeah. So, but that's automation for you. Yeah. You can run your own 2 hours later and it will pass. That's the
Okay.
truth. Yeah. So when you think you have covered everything, when you are sure that you've covered everything and you are thinking, how do you know if it's network? If it's very slow to open the browser, because with a good network, the browser will open immediately. So if it's taking its time to open the browser, just know you have a network issue. And once you are able to sense that, then whatever the outcome is, just be patient. So if you have used the CS, I want to believe everybody that is here is now has changed to CSS selector. Mind you, whenever you change your locator, you have to put the right name. So assuming after changing this locator, remember Olat then said to the who is sharing, Simone, then that I should change it to CSS selector. So you should remember to always put it back to the right one. If you are using expert, maybe make sure it is by .expert. If you are using CSS selector, make sure it's .by .css selector. So always put the right one. And even when you customize, there are different types. You can do you can customize your code using CSS selector. So how do you know? It will come with a hash. Then if it's expert, it will come with a backslash. That's just another one. If you can write that down, another one way of recognizing your locator. So okay, is Rexford ready to take them, please? Are you there? Simone, please close your output for me, please.
Okay.
If you want to stop the recording. Okay, I'll quickly take off.
I want to paste one of the experts here on the chat so that they can see it, so they can use that also. So I just did it now, so you can use that instead of, so they can use either that CSS selector or this one that I pasted there now. They can use it in the chat.
Oh, should I try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you copy this one and keep it somewhere.
Yeah, copy that one and keep it somewhere. Then
put it on your notepad. Make sure you
check the
copy it
chat,
properly before you oh no, don't worry, don't remove it. No, go back, please. Simone, go back to your code. Okay, so bring your cursor to line 21. Now put private by. No, uppercase. Logo, small letter. Just replicate what is at the top there on line 26. 20, sorry. Yeah. Equals. Okay. .expert.
Go to the chat and copy what I put there. Open
Put your bracket. Put your put. So if you don't,
it goes in the bracket.
No.
Right?
No, hold on. Simone, just cancel that bit. Cancel it, please. Backspace. Now inside the bracket.
This is
Okay. Did you put your parameterization? It's not there. something.
Now,
Okay, so
comment
the
outline, comment
line.
outline 20.
Sorry, say that again.
Put your cursor, that line 20, line 20, the
Yeah.
beginning of that private, beginning of the private. Yeah, backward slash 2.
So that was why
Yeah,
it was
that's
throwing red, if you notice.
Okay, so what we did here, we what was it called? Commenting or something.
Yes.
Yeah, you commented that one out. So now save
So
and
it
build.
doesn't run it.
Save and build.
The purpose why because it's like using two something for one particular thing. So you can only use one at a time. You cannot use both. So a situation whereby you might have up to 3 elements there, you can always comment out 2 that you don't need and use 1. So in this case, we have 2, so we have to comment out 1.
Yeah.
So if you want to now, have you clean and build and then run the test for us, please? Let's see if that aspect will work.
Sure, I clicked on it, right?
Yeah, right click. Sorry,
No,
I
I'm
saw you.
sure I did it already. I'm sure of it.
Did you? Okay. I wasn't even looking.
Well, let's just do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, okay. Let's just wait then.
That network is very slow.
Just wait.
It didn't take this long before.
Stop the test. Just click on that red button up so that you can, yeah, click on that. Let's wait.
It says unexpected error detected.
The network is very slow.
Should I do it again? Because I think we tried to stop it in between.
Hold on. Go back to the page. Let me check something there. Go back to the website. Yeah. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. Go back to the page. Go back to the code. In front of that .com, put slash there for me. /. Yeah, there. Yeah, save and build.
Should I run it now?
Run it now.
Not working.
Hello?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I pasted another one there. You have to try this. I just want the expert to work. Copy this one as it is. Copy it and paste it there. Remove this one. The one that is here now. Remove it. Okay, fine. Go and copy the one that I pasted now. No. Hello. Okay, you've copied it. Okay, fine. Now save and do it. Reason why we are doing this is just for you to have a nutshell, so that you can use extracts at the same time you can use the CSS selector.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's taking too long because I think network is affecting it.
Yeah.
It's good we have the CSS, so everyone can use that if they are comfortable with the CSS. Or you can have both in your code, and you can run them either way. Just keep trying. If you have a good network, you can try it later at night and see which one works. Because it's really slow. It's just 2 steps. It shouldn't take this long.
I tried the new link now and it just passed.
Okay, the expert, right?
Yeah, with expert, yeah.
Yeah, so I mean that has really made things easier for us.
Oh,
So
that's it.
everybody can kind of relate. So it has also passed here.
Yeah.
So yeah, so don't delete the commented one, just leave it there. Istola, do you want to do a walkthrough for them on the step definition for those that
Okay.
Simone, can you close your output, please? Thank you. Okay, over to you, Mr. Ola. Just do a run through. I
Okay,
think we
please,
did
writing.
the page objects. Rexford did the page object earlier, so well, it's just except if you want to do everything, it's up to you. Yeah, just over to you, and then we'll take questions and see where people are at. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, let me start from, okay, he has already done the page objects. Okay, that's all right, because of time. Okay, let me do the run through of this. For the step definition, yeah, all what you need to do, because
Go to your
the
step definition. Sorry, Simone, go to your step definition, please. Yes, that one. Okay.
You know, in this step definition, because any framework that you are doing, if you are using a SpecFlow platform, you know, you need to have page objects, step definition, and the features. So the features is the one that will link to the step definition. Why you need to create a page objects, whereby you have your elements and use a locator, you know, to locate your elements on the web.
Sorry, I
now
can't hear you properly.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay, sorry, it's my mic. Okay, now this is the step definition. The step definition for your feature file. So whereby, and your feature file is being binded to this step definition. You can see where we have a public class saying that a landing page feature definition. So now all what you need to do here is that we create an object of your landing page object in the step definition. The reason why we do that is that you want to use the new page object that's being created to call all the methods in the page object so that we can use it here. So that's where we have from line 12, we have, and the new object that we created is line number 10. We said your landing page object, that is your landing page object here, the class. We call the class down here, we name it to landing page object, which is called a new landing page object. So that we can use, you can see that the color is different. We have the one that is green and we have the one that is white. So we'll be using that whitish one here to call all our methods that we use, that we create in the page object. So now so that's why we have it in line number 12. We say that given a navigate to Reto website, you know, that is what we have basically in the feature file. So now we now come down to line 15. We are using the new object that we created, the new landing page that we created. We are using it to call the method, because we already have, we are the one that created the navigate to website method in the page object. That is where you have your URL, you know, so we are using it to call the method. That's why we have a landing page object dot navigate to website, because so that's for number 15. In line 18, we say that when I click on the YouTube logo, you know, which is we have a method that we've already created in the page object. We call it click logo. So we need to call that method here for our step definition to work, because the page object is linked to step definition. What we use to link both together is the method. So we are now calling all the method in our step definition. So whenever you create a page object, you still come, you now come down, you create a method in the page object, you now come to step definition. All what you need to do is very easy, just to start calling your page object method with the new object that is being created up in line number 10. So in line 21, we now say landing page object dot. What is the dot? We are calling our method, the one that we created in the page object. So that is click logo. So that is all what we are doing here. And you can see that all is working together. So if you want to run our test, we have to make sure that you call your method in the step definition. If you don't call your method, or the method that you create in this to the step definition, it won't work. But you have a particular linkage whereby we have to create The landing page object, that is your landing page or page object, or what element that you have there before you create their method in the page object. You have to call them down to the step definition before your framework can work. And that is what is being done there. So with the help of the methods being created in the page object. So that's all is about. Any question?
Well done. Thank you so much, Mr. Olak. That was well detailed. Any question? Is anyone having issues? Not that you've not taken steps, but have you taken any step and now you are getting error? Quickly, please. Omalara.
Yes, I have issues
Okay,
because
if you can share your screen, please. Let's just look at it quickly. Thank you so much, Simon.
my issues.
Simon, I'm sure you'll be able to help out because you've tried both methods. You should be able to. And for those of you that have got to this stage, replicate it with another site. I keep saying that it's gonna help. It's not coming up, Omalara. Can't see your.
Not still coming up.
Do you know how to share?
Yes, I've shared.
No, we can't see anything. Stop sharing. Click on the share again. Yeah, it's coming up now. Okay.
I just discovered that my Test Explorer is no longer there. And initially, then I discovered also that I don't have landing page error. I mean, where is it? Landing page objects.
Okay, so what you will do, you go back and watch the video to create your page object. But I don't know why your your screen is like this. Click on that Test Explorer there because your solution is just, I can't see your main screen. Click on it. Yeah. So what you do, is that a Test Explorer on the right there?
Yes, it was not like this before.
It's okay. Now click on the solution. Let me see where that one will come up. No.
I think she just has to dog it properly.
Yeah. Is it dogging now? Yeah.
Has it been like this all the time, Omalara?
Yes, it has been like that.
So yours is different from your colleagues on the call.
Yes, I've been using it like this.
So you should have.
This is not the right way.
Yeah. Can we do the docking? And we did. Was it Akela that was doing docking last week? You should have. That's when you should have just let us know. We would have fixed it for you.
She just try to click on the solution explorer and just try to drag it around. Let's see what happens. Left click it.
Esra, do you want to take control, please?
I don't know if
This is gonna take ages.
I've requested control, give me access.
Malara, can you see it on your board?
I've given access.
Okay. Now you stop moving it. Stop moving it. Let him do it. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you so much. So,
Thank you.
I don't know why you're having 10 errors. I don't know where that is coming from. But you've created your step definition. So, let Nathan help you, please.
All right.
And under your page objects, I don't understand. You have other, what's homepage logo by?
I would. It looks like you've done something wrong here. So the best advice I'll give you is to go all over, try to watch the
Okay.
video and take every step one after the other.
No, I think you should delete
Before
this and
you
start all
create-
over again.
Yeah, create a new project.
Okay, I'll start from launch.
Launch what? No.
My visual. Okay.
No. Close your Visual Studio now and open it again quickly. Let's show you where you start from. No. Close it at the top. Amalara.
At the top.
Amalara.
Yes.
X. Sign in. X. Yes. Thank you. Now open it again for us, please. Your Visual Studio. No, not that one. Can you click on the 2022?
On which one? 2022. Okay.
Can you close this pop-up? I don't know why I stayed there. Yeah, so let's wait for this one too. So you right click on this and delete that one. So hold on. You do that later
right.
on your own. But
Okay.
for you to start, you click on create a new project.
Okay.
Click on it, please. Create a new project. Spec flow. Click on that spec flow. Right. Okay, go to next. So this is where you go from. Yeah, go and watch the
All
video.
right.
Give it a new name. Yeah. If
All
you can
right.
just add maybe one to it or two, just to make it different from the first name, because you might have that in your folder if you delete it there. And then watch the video. Yeah. If you need help, reach out to anyone on your group. If not, put it on your QA community and any of your mentors will reach out to you. But first of all, liaise with any of your test lead. Who is your test lead?
Jimmy.
Yes, so reach out to her. All right, thank you. Any other question?
Right. Thank you.
Thank you, Rexford. Any other question?
Yeah, sorry.
It's like everyone is good, yeah?
Yeah, so when I was trying to work on the elements, I think I mixed out something which affected I was stuck somewhere. So I don't know if I can share my script briefly.
Okay, yeah, quickly, please. Let's see other than that. I think the Jimmy and Simone have the, I think he's still on the chat. Ola posted it on the chat. Yeah, so you've not done all what we did earlier.
Yeah, I think after we did the first one, and then I tried to
page object.
Yeah, the page object. Yeah, I think it was.
No,
I tried to go back
open
there
your
again.
page object. Not that one. Yeah. Yeah. So you have not copied all what we copied. So go back and watch the video and just follow suit. You are in a good shape. Where's the error? I can't see any error.
Yeah, it's from the error was from the red tube, I think. The red tube page.
The
Let me see
RedTube.
if I yeah, red tubes.
Well, you mean error was from there?
Yeah, I was trying to copy the link on the element, so it was from there.
Yes, so that's why I just said this on the chat. They've put it there for you again now on the QA community. Davis have just posted it.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
if you once you watch the video, just I mean we can go through it, but it's better of you doing it on your own. Watch the
Yeah.
video. If you have any issues, reach out to your test lead, please. Yeah.
Oh, it's fine.
So I'm gonna quickly call out a few names. Pause the recording for me, please, Jumi. And sorry, Davis.